After the initial setup of this projector, your projector may be skewed in a weird way. Well, don't fret because the projector has a pretty accurate autofocus and auto keystoning. Out of the box, the picture mode is under living room. To get the most accurate picture quality or picture color rendition, you go to picture mode and then click enter and you choose cinema. Now the color will be as close as accurate as possible without going to professional calibration. Of course, a professional calibration will be much better if you choose to do so. Under color settings, I usually choose the gamma selection to be 2.4 because this fits better with the new Ultra HD recommendation. For the audio, choose the sound mode to be cinema. This is only controlling the sound coming from the projector itself. So you choose this audio output to be TreVolo. And then that's it. Now over here you can choose the projector position, whether the projector position is in the center of the room or more on the left side or more on the right side. By choosing that, the TreVolo sound will automatically reconfigure itself so you get as close as possible to a proper stereo separation. After you went for the projector position, you can check the left and right channel balance on the TreVolo sound system within the projector. Now this is not going to be a replacement of soundbar or proper sound system, but as a fun projector, as a lifestyle projector, this is a very highly sought after quality of sound I personally can put my thumbs up on. There are so many installation parameters that can be checked using this smart projector. You can choose whether the projector position to be in front of you, behind you, at the top or at the bottom. The 2D keystoning, if you want to do the 2D keystoning like this that I already shown before. You can check the corner fit. You can adjust the screen fit, and you have object avoidance as well. Theoretically, if you have an object over here, then the picture will be shifted more towards the right, so it's not covering the object itself. You can do the focus manually or automatically. It's up to you, and you can choose the real-time adjustment. So during the course of the movie, if it's a high traffic area, something can bump your projector accidentally, it will readjust the focus automatically. Now there's ambient light sensor as well. So if you turn this thing on when it's brighter, the ambient light is brighter, the projector will automatically be brighter as well, and vice versa. And if you just want to see the test pattern, how it looks like, this way you can check the geometry and whether it's actually flat enough or not. The most interesting part of this projector is that you can just go to system here and press enter, go to color calibration, and you choose auto color calibration as auto. This is when you're using a regular wall. So if your wall is colored more towards red, for example, the projector will compensate a little bit against that. But if you don't like the result of the automatic color calibration, you can just reset it, and the projector will reboot after the reset of the color calibration. So that's it. So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments down below and click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.